Now, here's a little troubleshooting tip. All right. Now, oftentimes it will get disconnected from your iPad. Okay, and here's a quick fix to get it back. Again, you're going to do the exact same AB hold reset on the back, and then you'll release it, and it will reconfigure the pairing. So let's try it. Right, so you can see here it says, "Oh, please retry." All right, I'm going to hold down, hold, release. It fills in, and then it shows my pattern, and then there it goes and connects. All right, so if it's not connecting when you get to this stage, do that reset process where you hold AB, hold on, and there you go, it paired successfully. AB, hold the reset, let go of the reset, it fills in, happy face, let go, and it will pair up. Okay, so there's a little troubleshooting tip if it's not connecting to your iPad.